All right, you want to try that again? Here we go with the carrots. Mmm. Shay. Oh, I know, I know. Can you open your mouth, please? Careful. Okay, no more bowls on the table or on our tray. Ready? Hey, no, you can't have it. Okay, here we go on Mommy's lap. Here we go. Ready? No. You're not being very helpful. Are those carrots good? Let's try them again. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, delicious. Give me the spoon, Shay. Peanut, give me the spoon. Thank you. Okay. Let's try that again. Is that good? So we're getting it all over the place. Oh, delicious. Okay,